Hello YouTubers. I have been in Saaremaa a couple of occasions with camera, and I've shown you, for example, the Kuressaare Castle and Paadi crater and stuff that I showed you during the round Estonia trip. But there are so many things that Saaremaa still has to offer, and I figured I have a couple of days. I will go to Saaremaa and visit some of these things and camp somewhere and then get back. So, like a 2-day trip, max 3 days. But I have to be back in Tallinn the day after tomorrow, so probably 2-day trip. But I'm sure we can still get some sightseeing in with that time. And of course, I'm bringing you with me to enjoy the ride, enjoy the roads, and sightseeing. Right now, I'm approaching the Virtsu harbor. I still have like 15 or bit more kilometers to go, but I have already reserved my ferry tickets, and I will need to take fuel before. There is a gas station just before the harbor, so I will stop there, take fuel, and then we'll cross to not Saaremaa, but Muhu Island, and from there we can get to Saaremaa. Oh, look at that. It's definitely not Estonian police. What was it? Crown Victoria, maybe? And the Ford emblem front.
Had to do so much acrobatics when filling up because of this ledge here that I forgot to record it for all of you motopumping fans. Well, another time. Now, let's get to the harbor. There's half an hour till the ferry goes, so plenty of time.
Piret. Oh, I need to go there. I'm at the bus. Okay, let's see if the magic works. Okay, I need to call because for some reason it can't recognize my plate number.
Okay, lane 3 is open, so that's where we'll go. And there's another bike there already. We are now on the ferry called Tõll. It's named after the local folk hero, a giant protecting the people of Saaremaa. My bike's down there behind the Audi, and the sea seems quite calm, so no need for straps or anything. I mean, it's windy, but the sea is calm, as you can see.
That was kind of the car driver to let us go ahead. Right, so we are now on the island of Muhumaa in Muhu County, as you can see. and we will just cross Muhumaa and head directly to Saaremaa. So we're passing through Liiva village right now. That's probably the largest village in the Muhu island. It has a store and a cafeteria. So, you know, busy place for a small island. But, you know, small island. It's Estonia's third largest island, so there's that. I think in local context they're still a large island. Getting windy now because we are crossing over from Muhu to Saaremaa. This bridge or dam had an unfortunate incident a couple of years ago, where a biker went off the road into the sea and drowned. There were people around who tried to pull him out right away, but it was too late. And I don't think it has ever been publicly announced why it happened. If it was a health issue or what is it? Why something like this could have happened, because as you can see it's fairly straight road. It doesn't make much sense to go up here, and even with the wind like today, I can feel the wind. I can feel the wind trying to push me around, but it's not you know, strong enough to actually push me off the road. I mean, if the wind was directly from the side and much stronger, maybe, but then we would slow down and ride that much more careful. So yes, I think the leading theory is some kind of health issue. And just like that, we are on Saaremaa. This is an important landmark there. This is the so-called border where the letter U is no longer used, and the people on Saaremaa only use the letter Ö instead. So that's what that landmark there signifies. And I think I'm to turn off here. I didn't turn on my navigation, but this is the first road, and by this road we are supposed to have the first sightseeing that I have looked up. It's quite nice road here. The only speed sign I've seen is 70, so I haven't been going any faster. I have time, and it takes less fuel. See, again 70, or even though over here it seems that it's only for the next 450 meters, so in theory there was a 90 zone before that, but no traffic at all, so it doesn't even matter what speeds I'm doing. And Saareküla, that's the village of an island. That should be the village where the next, or first rather, sightseeing is going to be. Could it be that this parking place I just passed was for that? And look at that, nice windmill. Nope, this is it, over here. Let me just turn around and we'll take a closer look.
The sign says that this rock was brought from Gaali, that's where the meteor struck, and it's apparently split by a lightning. So that has been turned into an altar to this goddess Blesta. To be fair, I think this goddess is quite recently made up, because I had not heard anything of it, but it's an impressive altar nonetheless. So that's an interesting thing, I would say, of a legend that I had not heard anything about.
But next up is going to be a much more local and better known, at least locally, legend.